Mag-upload like ko sa YouTube. Anong tour na to? Layover here in Manila for 3 to 4 hours. And then, bound to Zamboanga.
Ang labay ni mo ako itong mga jacket, no? Mga ingalin ako.
Talas na rin for my vlog. So guys, I'm with Teacher Mon. Hi everybody! If for anything else, mag-lunch at me. Lunch here. Guys, ito po ang mga person. Nakaunang beauty the Lord. Guys, sumakay sila. Sumakses.
Ano na yun? Room tour. Room tour.
This is our room for tonight. Okay. Alright, finally. We're back here. Alavar. So, here. Excited to be
Siyempre, alam mo.
Kurachi. Oh my God.
Ang favorite person.
Paid by Boss Jay. How was it? What's ang food mo? Hey, busy.
Uy, ano sa mangga? Uy, basta mo lang sarang sila doon.
Guys, puno na ka, busog na kayo. What's ang food mo? Look at the dinner. Busog kayo guys. Look.